Hey, what's up, CMRS? Just showing you, we just got flooded in third map against some kids that were threatening to flood us the whole time, but we finally did it third map. We were up like they're still hitting Boxy off. Alright, hold on, I'm about to show you where he actually times out. We're up 2-1. Watch. These kids are a joke. Absolute joke. Boxy timed out on Dome, too. Yo, Boxy, what round did they host boot you on Dome? Alright, I'm about to show y'all where he gets host booted on Dome. He got host booted twice on Dome. It's ridiculous. And the reason that we know that they flooded them is because after Boxy got timed out or whatever, it wouldn't let him sign back in, and he checked his router logs and it said that he had a DDoS attack, so. These same kids did this to my old team a while back. They're just a joke. We played 6 GBs today and he's at perfect connection, and then this happens. It's ridiculous. Right here, I think, is where he times out. Ba 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 ba. See, we're up right here, 3-2. See, right there, perfect connection, and then he times out. Let's see. Look. That's right. Alright, thank you for your time, CMRS. Please get the kids banned.